guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Many of you already know and love panna cotta, but maybe some of you don't know that there is also a salty version of this deliciousness. It's very easy to prepare, it's very ketogenic and it's really yummy. So let's go together to prepare this Parmesan panna cotta.
We don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
You will only need 3 ingredients plus an extra touch. You will definitely need some gelatin. These are 3.4 grams, 75 grams of grated Parmesan cheese that will be perfect for our 250 milliliters of heavy cream. And the extra touch is saffron. You can also don't put it, but I highly recommend it for the flavor and for the colors of your panna cotta because it will be beautiful. Maybe you think that I forgot salt, but I didn't. Parmesan will be the salt for our panna cotta, so we will not need any more salt. Let's start by putting our gelatin in cold water because it should be there for 10 minutes, so later it will be softer. And then we will warm up our panna, our heavy cream. Panna is the name in Italian of the heavy cream. We will warm it up directly with the saffron, and that's quite important because the panna, the heavy cream, should change its color and become very yellow.
I just wanna love.
We will add directly also our 75 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. So with the warm, it will melt and all the flavor will mix together.
You set my world.
This combo of saffron and Parmesan is typical of the city of Milan. Usually is used as a sauce for our beloved riso alla milanese. That is Milanese rice. It's delicious and in the panna cotta it will be even more yummy.
I just need you. I know what it is you do.
I love to feel again the flavor of my country and of my city because I'm born in Milan and I lived there a few years and I still love that beautiful city.
I want you for myself every single
10 minutes go very fast on YouTube, so our gelatin is ready and we can add it to our panna cotta, but before we should squeeze it very well. I recommend you to warm the panna cotta at medium-high heat, but not very high because it should not boil. Now that we put the gelatin inside, we must whisk very well because that's the only problematic part of this recipe. You should never feel the gelatin in your mouth, so it should melt really very well together with the panna cotta, together with the rest of the ingredients.
like the moon needs the sun. We don't care about.
With those ingredients, I prepared 3 Parmesan panna cotta, but before decorating them, they should stay at least 2 hours in the fridge and become hard.
You're my heart's desire.
And this is my decoration ideas. More Parmesan that will taste and look great. And remember that Parmesan has 0 carbs, like most of the cured cheese. So we can enjoy this deliciousness without feeling guilty for our ketosis.
World on fire.
If you have any other decorations idea or if you have any flavors that we could add to this panna cotta, please write them below or send me some pictures on my Instagram account.
Without you.
I really hope you all like today's special treat and you all will consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all for being here. I'm really looking forward to see you next Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. See you next week.
On fire.
And we are back to my favorite museum, the Fotografiska, the Museum of Photography, where we will see the exposition of Sarah Moon.
Just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow.
I have to tell you that her amazing photos will be here only until the 30th of May 2021, so you don't have a lot of time to visit this place and this exposition.
You saved my
Hurry up if you are in Stockholm, or come visiting if you are from another country and if you can. I know it's a difficult period for everybody, but I hope it will go back to normal as soon as possible.
I just need you. I know what it is.
This artwork is really worth it. It's beautiful.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you.
As you probably have seen when I got into this room, this exposition is called At the Still Point, and it means that the inspiration for your photos can come at any time. During your everyday life, there is something that in a specific moment calls your attention, and it's that special moment that you want to take on your picture. You want to fix it and you want to remember. If you watch these pics, you will understand that this still point came many times and they are incredible. Sarah Moon is born in 1941, so she took pictures for more than 40 years and she's a great French photographer.
You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
And now we will go together in a very red part of this exposition, always by Sarah Moon.
You said my word on.
It's a very sad part, but it's still beautiful.
I know what I do without you.
The title is The Red Thread, Le Fil Rouge in French, and it talks about a fairy tale from Charles Perrault.
You added colors.
It's the story of Bluebird. I don't know if you know the story, but it's really very sad. It goes till the end of life, and you will follow this red line all around the walls till the end.
You're my heart's desire.
Thank you all for coming with me. I always do my best to take you here and to pass to you also the emotions of little details. As you can see, my husband is really happy and he has fun taking me these videos when I don't see him, but it's okay. I hope you like this exposition, and even if you cannot come here, I hope you enjoyed Sarah Moon art.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna